What's up everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Football Live 2025. Just have to follow the tutorial carefully and you will get it done. If you have the previous one, the new one has been released, so I'm going to show you the process on how to install it. Nothing much to say here. You head to this website and download the parts. Is 21 gigs, 2 gig each part, 1 to 11 parts. You download it and extract it, which I'm about to show in this video. So after extracting, what you're going to do is to install the setup and wait for it to finish. And what you have to have in mind is that Football Live 225, even 224 doesn't come with a face pack. All the face are going to be incorrect, so you have to download the face separately. They have already uploaded the new faces for 225 stroke 224, so it's 40 gigs. But if you have eFootball Live 224, the previous one, you can just use that face, which I'm going to show you how to do in this video. If you don't want to download it, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Football Live 224 faces for 225. So just go to the download folder and copy the faces and paste it to the new download folder of Football Live 225. If you go to their website, they have already uploaded the Football Live 225 faces. So you can download the mega face pack if you want to, or you can use your old Football Live 224 faces. It's still going to work. So they have some tutorials on how to extract it right there. For me, I'm going to use the previous one I have, which is the 224 mega face pack. As you can see right here, everything works perfectly fine. The Madrid and FC Barcelona lineup are complete and the face work perfectly fine. Even using the old 224 mega face pack was pretty fine. Anyway, that's how you install Football Live 225. That'll be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.